How to turn on or turn off link to Windows Instant Hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Now from here, tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on Connected Devices. Then go down and tap on Link to Windows. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Now in here, go down and tap on Instant Hotspot. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. If you see a pop-up, tap on Allow. Then tap on OK, got it. And that's it. It says connect your PC to your mobile hotspot in an instant. Standard data and roaming rate will applied. And finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.